A wind advisory and a freeze warning have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently in our area, 52 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Today, a mix of clouds and sun. High 55. Winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. For tonight, mainly clear. Low 31. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. On Friday, sunny skies. High 57. Winds west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Friday night, clear. Low 34. Winds light and variable. Here's our 7-day outlook.